Seasonal Mickey and Minnie sticker books? Yes, please. Even if you're not a Disney fan, you have no idea how cute these books are. I did a quick flip through like that. I was blown away by these. So these release tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Pacific time on the Happy Planner website. I will put my affiliate link in the description box. Would so appreciate it if you'd use that link. It doesn't cost you a dime, but I get a very small kickback for each purchase. So thank you for using that link. I'm also going to put discount codes down there. So it's a buy more, save more thing. So you can use those codes. Don't forget, you will save some money on your purchase. The Happy Planner sent me a whole bunch of stuff. You can see my unboxing video, but they also sent me this large sticker book and this value pack sticker book. Okay, so they are Mickey and Minnie seasonal sticker books. Let's look at the large one first because I think this one's really cute. Like, come on. So cute, isn't it? Oh my gosh. So the good thing about this page, it's paper. We have these snowflakes in the background. And you could cut them out and make them into stickers, you know? They're not cut out as stickers, I don't think. Are they? Oh, they are. Wait, they're stickers. Like this one isn't on the edge. But some of them are. Okay, they are. These two are together. I didn't know that. Okay. Life is wonderful. Look at that. It's like old-fashioned Mickey and Minnie in the snow. That is adorable. Okay, so that's paper. This is on clear, and we have like this Valentine's page. Love life. Love is in the air. These pretty florals. Stay kind. He's in a truck carrying like really big florals. That's so cute. Couple goals. Stay true. Always radiate love. And then these are like, yeah, that's so cute. Look, Minnie has a present for Mickey. She's like, I have a Valentine's present for you because I love you. These are on clear. We have big seasonal circles here and then also some little shamrocks. Choose happy. Today is yours. Good things are coming. So cute. I'm sorry I'm going to say cute so much. I cannot control it. I have to come up with a better word that I can say over and over again. Bloom. Look at them hanging out in the flowers. Ooh, I love the big stickers. I always really like these large sticker books. The large size like really appeal to me. The future looks bright. Together is the place to be. Look at these little daisies with the gold, and they have like that little tan background that's very subtle, but it's so cute. And this gold foil on it. Inspire others. These are clear. Choose happy. Stay kind. Make yourself proud. Always follow your heart. And hello today. Dream bigger. So this one's paper. Sunshine on my mind. Joy. Wonderful days are ahead. This is clear. Enjoy every moment. Spread joy. The future looks bright. I love these. These are so pretty. Like fall flowers. Just say boo. That's so cute. Share the magic. Choose adventure always. There's like a lot of little sparkles around here too. Time to party. I like that spider. Always find a reason to smile. Happily grateful. I love just the fall colors in the Mickey and Minnie. Like that's so fun. Start each day with a grateful heart. And then we get into Christmas here. And they're giving each other the presents. I don't know what they're giving each other. I don't know. Maybe Minnie, oh my gosh. I've been doing a lot of flip throughs, you guys. Minnie, maybe she's giving Mickey a new scarf. Because like, he's wearing almost the same scarf as her. I think he needs a new one. Maybe that's what, I don't know. Minnie gets 2 gifts and Mickey gets 1. I don't know why I'm talking about that. Okay, next page. Merry and bright. Joy. Winter fun day. Year-round fun. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this. Anyway, that's a cute sticker book. Let's see this value pack one. All right, so we start out, the first page has like a bunch of seasons on it because there's, you know, spring or summer here. And then there's also winter and there's Valentine's Day. I don't know what's going on that page, but we're moving on. We're in winter here. I don't know why that green one was on there. Today, important, canceled. Hello, weekend. We have some monthly boxes here that are curved like that. That's fun. These are on clear and so pretty. So pretty for Valentine's Day spreads. I love this little truck carrying the flowers. All right, so we have the little to-do list strip stickers, but they have little Mickey heads on them. That's fun. Love life. This is so cute. Look at this one. It has little gold polka dots. That's so fun. Joy, life is wonderful. Be bright. Look at these. I like these. These are little Mickey heads, and you can write your plans on them. Noted. They're fun. You can also use the back of this for like anything you want. You could totally, you know, punch out circles out of it or something. Wonderful day. Today is yours. Spread joy. So we have some clear Mickeys here and Minnies in different colors. And then look at this one. Lots of Mickey heads behind there. Lucky me. Create your own sunshine. Let your ideas bloom. Big day. Let's see. Connect the dots. You are amazing. Good things are coming. Look at these. These are on clear. Hello, girly. That's funny. Oh no, Minnie. Wait, that doesn't say that. It says, oh me, oh Minnie. Oh me, oh Minnie. Bloom. These are kind of cute, aren't they? Wait, did these come out? I guess. Let's see. Yeah, so like, do you see that? That's fun. A little bit different. Seriously cute. Aw. More of that truck. They like the truck. One day at a time. These are Mickey heads. Look. Surprise, surprise. Wouldn't you know? A Mickey head. Also, lots of colorful background to do with what you will. Just saying. Brunch date, dinner date, girls' night. Don't forget. Family night, lunch date, coffee date. Bloom. Aw, look at this one. That's so fun. I love that. He looks so happy. Today looks bright. These are on clear. More monthly here. Oh, there he is again, doing his thing. That sun behind him. Okay, more Mickey heads in these colors. So fun. Okay, let's have fun. Stay kind. Big ideas. More big ideas. So you can use those together in the same spread. That would be fun in like your dashboard or something. Love these moments. Sunshine on my mind. I love that. More Mickey heads that you can write your plans on. Okay. So happy, say hello to happy, this way to adventure, hello today. These are on clear. We've got a bunch of Mickey heads here. That's my favorite. I love that one. Boo. Just say boo. That's so cute. Good times. So we're into fall here. Start each day with a grateful heart. Beauty is all around. Life is better with you. Look at that. That's so cute. I love that for like a Halloween spread. Okay, so here's your fall florals with little Mickeys that go with the colors. That's fun too. Look at that one. She's peeking out of there. All the fall colors. Seize the day. Today is yours. Think big, start small. And more of those polka dots, but this time we had the background is like that tan. Stay kind, be brave, you got this. Lots of little circles to put in little places in your planner when you need some color. So that is a really cute sticker book. I think these two sticker books are lovely. Let me know what you think in the comments. And yeah, don't forget these release tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Pacific time on the 8th, okay? And stay tuned for more flip throughs. I've got a lot coming up tonight. There's just flip through after flip through. What can I say? All right, have a good one. Bye.